Hello, I'm Vidisha, and today we're going to look into asset maintenance and our MnT app from our fixed asset management solution. Timely maintenance of your fixed asset is a difficult practice, as the maintenance information for different assets are normally based on the supplier or the manufacturer, and it is normally kept as separate documents. Also, from one asset to another, the service guidelines and requirements changes vastly, and you need to keep all these different parameters handy so that you can refer back to it as and when needed. Using our state-of-the-art blockchain-based asset manager, you can easily manage the maintenance information for all your assets and can share with the third-party service provider or auditor using the MnT app. This will save you a lot of time, as you don't have to keep track of separate documents' location or remember what and when needs to be done. To demonstrate this, we will first see how you can manage your maintenance information from the web platform of our asset management system, and then we will look into our MnT app to know how you can share the same information with your internal or external auditors and service providers. From the web portal, you will simply need to create a work order for maintenance. You can add more than one assets of similar type under the same work order and keep all the relevant documents attached to the work order. To create a work order, you need to click here and provide all the required fields like order number, etc. Based on WAR or PRU work order, our system will list down all the assets from locations, buildings, department, etc. automatically. You can then attach maintenance instruction files, floor plans, and other documents as necessary to it. Once finished, you can assign your work orders to your internal staff or get help from a third-party company for this job. There is also an option to chat with the assigned person to further discuss requirements or send files which you may not have attached to the work order yet. Once created, you can open the work order list, search orders, and get the details. As it is the part of our main asset management and tracking solution, you can also view all the transaction details of the assets along with maintenance details and the current status of the work order by clicking on this green button. The details here are managed using blockchain hyperledger, as you can see, and all the changes in each version is marked with this green box. Now let us see how our MnT app works and understand how to manage the maintenance information for all your assets with a third-party service provider or auditor. Once you're logged in, you will need to sync your master data, and all the work orders will be listed on the app dashboard. You can search for any specific work order from the screen using our advanced filters, open the work order and download the documents like maintenance plan or floor plans that are attached to it. For any work order, the first step will be to either accept or reject the work order. If you reject, the work order is marked as rejected in the list. Once accepted, the app will show you all the maintenance related details for the work order. In this step, you will again have to accept the maintenance plan to proceed further. Once accepted, the app will ask you to scan the RFID, barcode or QR code of the asset for maintenance. This is to ensure the asset from the work order list you are going to work on. Once the RFID is scanned, you will see the final step of the work order processing, where the app will give you detailed information about the asset. On the final step, you will need to specify the status of the service by clicking on any of these three maintenance buttons displaying as OK in three different colors. The green button means everything is good, red to specify that it is not repairable and must be replaced, and yellow means repair is possible and you have made the changes as required. You must specify a remark when choosing the yellow maintenance OK button. You can also review the master data of the asset by clicking on this blue button and make changes if required. Finally, the app also allows you to add new asset if required. Simply scan the RFID or barcode or QR code to add the new asset to the same work order. In case of the RFID tags, you will need an RFID scanner to scan and record the data. This concludes how our maintenance and testing of your assets can be managed from our platform. As you can see, you can easily maintain your assets from this platform, and along with that, you can also manage them as well. We have made a separate video to explain how this platform can help you to manage your assets in the first place and how you can track changes in your asset. You can find the link to that video in the description. Thank you for your time and showing interest in DreamzTech's fixed asset management and tracking solution.